you can be recession proof. How about I tell you that if you start implementing certain elements in your day-to-day activities, you can become impactless by these unforeseen situations. Do you know Meta has laid off 11,000 employees? Same as Microsoft, Netflix, and there are many more big organizations. They have started laying off people. Do you know about the criteria of layoff? Are you aware that you could be one of the victims of these unforeseen situations? I am trying to help people understand what they can implement so that they can be safe and they could not be considered as a victim of these unforeseen situations. There are 7 elements which I'm trying to talk about, and I'm going to give more information in my webinar. But the first element, which is very important, and if you are doing this already, I think you are towards safety. The first thing which is very important is take more responsibilities. When I say take more responsibilities, it's a very open-ended statement. I know what exactly you need to do. I can pinpoint you where you could start taking more responsibilities that can make you visible and help you make your impact in the team, on the organization, and overall you'll be safe and nobody will think about you to be the victim of the unforeseen situations. So think about where can you contribute in the team. Think about where you can take more responsibilities in a team. Think about what are the problems the teams are going through. And think about if you know the solution, and then try taking the responsibility of fixing those issues. You see, it's a human psychology. When someone tries to help other, that feeling of getting helped by someone itself is important for you to be visible. See, it's all about visibility in the market. It's all about visibility in the team. So all these 7 elements which I'm going to talk about will always make sure that you become visible in the team. So start taking responsibilities. I am doing a workshop on these 7 elements. I want you to be part of this particular workshop. If you want to know how you can be recession proof, join this webinar. Book now. The link is in the description. Make sure you grab this opportunity because this is one-time opportunity. I may not do this very often, so grab this opportunity. I have very limited seats available. So 7 elements, make sure you get them and make sure you build yourself recession proof. So be focused, be consistent, be dedicated, and be invincible.